think when you start noticing your reaction and your thought process is a lot different than everybody else's around you, I think you're either getting smarter or getting dumber than the people around you. There was four of us. I was the only white guy. Not that it mattered, because yo soy güero. And it was just like four of us standing there. I don't know why I had to say I was the only white guy. Well, whatever. But we're working at an office building. There's a dude outside. You could tell he's fighting with his chick on the phone, and he's got it on speaker. He don't give a fuck. And she's screaming at him about, he's coming home late every night, and that whole thing. And it must have I think it was like lunchtime for them now, where ours usually ended right when theirs started. And this chick comes walking out of the office building, and the dude is like all up on her, and he basically just straight put the phone down to his side and walked this other chick straight to his car. So he put the chick on hold, walked the torta to the car, and they were gone. And I don't even think he said goodbye or anything, because she was still screaming while they were walking. The torta had heard like something, she knew something was up, because it was a loud scene in an empty parking lot, except 2 trucks and 4 dudes just watching it all. And when it was all said and done, first thing they say is, "Que bueno la culo." Does anybody care about the fucking lady on the phone screaming about having 2 kids? And they're all like, it's not my problem. It's not my problem. But these are some shiesty places, man. Hondurans, to be exact. Not bad guys to work with, but yeah, I wouldn't want to be their wife. But so all anybody could talk about was the tortas culo, and all I could think about is that fucking wife at home, 2 kids, with a piece of shit dude taking a torta out for lunch. And no chick at home probably looked better. I don't know. I don't know how people stay happy. I don't know how people stay together. I don't know any of it anymore. All I know is I don't give a shit. I don't need attention. I don't need anything, And I think that's what it comes down to, is a lot of times dude probably wasn't getting attention, and Dorothy started flirting with him, and he thought he was a Mac Daddy, but and they were like, "Oh, go tell her she has a wife." I say, because the torta was I don't think she spoke English. I think that's why she didn't understand. And so they were trying to tell me to go tell her, and I'm like, my Captain Save-A-Ho days ended a long, long time ago. Not me. Captain Save-A-Ho is gone. Never coming back. I'm on my business, man. But there's some unhappy situations brewing with that situation. I guess there's a million of those going on. Sad, man. A lot of broken hearts. A lot of broken families. For what? I don't know, mi gente. I don't know. Los vemos.